Hey everyone, it's Mad Tzen here. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through what beginners need to get started with pixel art. We'll be covering beginner-friendly canvas sizes, the brushes pixel artists use, and how to fix blurry artwork when changing to a larger canvas size. Let's dive into the tutorial. There are two canvas sizes I recommend for beginners. For the first, I'll create a new canvas and type in 118 by 82 pixels. Then tap Create up here. For a pixel guide for your canvas, go to the Actions tool, tap on the Canvas tab, toggle on Drawing Guide, then tap on Edit Drawing Guide just under. Next, make sure the 2D grid is highlighted, then slide grid size to none. Tap Done up here. Each square on the canvas is 1 pixel, which can guide you with drawing. If you'd like your canvas to be a little larger, you can choose to create 236 by 164 pixels. You can also toggle on the pixel guide like we had done earlier. For those wondering why a larger canvas size was not suggested, you can see in this example that a bigger canvas size means working with a whole bunch of pixels. The darker canvas means you have too many pixels to work with, resulting in repetitive zooming in just to see the pixel guide better. Stick around as I'll cover larger canvas sizes later in the video. When you view your brush library, you'll notice that there are no pixel brushes in Procreate's default brush list. I previously made a tutorial showing how to make a basic pixel brush. Tutorial link in the comments below. But if you don't want to waste time and are eager to start pixel art as soon as possible, you can grab my custom brushes. I received a lot of requests to create a pixel brush set, as many of my viewers are having difficulty creating their own brushes and just want to start drawing and save a whole lot of time. Now that the pixel set is finally here, you'll have a bunch of brushes that you can enjoy. I have officially released the Mad Tzen Pixel Brush Set for anyone looking to upscale their pixel artwork. I created 17 custom pixel art brushes, which is useful for any type of pixel art. They come in multiple sizes and textures as well, giving you control over your brushes. Unlock the nostalgia and creativity of pixel art with our meticulously crafted brush set. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your digital art to the next level. Visit the store link in the comments below and unlock your creative potential today. Now let's look at fixing the blurry artwork problem. Here we have a nice pixel cake, and let's say we want to make it twice as large. When enlarged, the art usually looks blurry, like this. This is no good if you're trying to make your artwork large enough to fit posters or other large projects. But don't worry, as I have a solution for this problem, which I'm about to show you. For this example, I'll go with the screen size in Procreate. Then I'll import one of my pixel drawings. Come down here and tap on Fit to Canvas to enlarge it. Please note that your artwork has to be the same dimensions as the larger canvas for it to fit nicely. The next step is the most important. Tap on Interpolation here and make sure that Nearest Neighbor is selected from the list. Nearest Neighbor maintains the quality of the drawing no matter how large you make your artwork. Tap on the Transform tool to commit. Check out the pixel brush set link in the comments below. See you in the next Procreate tutorial, and thanks for watching.